Good morning children. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to revise the sound of alphabet letter G. O L U B. Now sound and action for the G is G G G G G G G G G. The sound and action for the O is O, O, O. The sound and action for the L is L, 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 L. The sound and action for the U is up, up, up. The sound and action for the B is B, B, B. Now children, I will teach you the sound of alphabet letter F, that is F. Now children, I will sing a song of F sound. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. And the words for the first sound are F for flag, F for flag, F for fish, F for fish, F fox, F for fox, F for fan, F for fan, F for flower, F for flower, F for finger, F for finger, F for fountain, F for fountain, F for four, F for four. Now children, from creative beginning language skill worksheet number 56, page number 60. Topic: letter and sound F, that is F. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Fan, fox, fish. Fan, fox, fish. Children, trace and write small f. Like this you have to complete full line. Now trace and write capital F. Like this. Complete this full line. Trace and write F I S H, fish. H A V E, have. F I N S, fins. Fish have fins. Fish have fins. Fish have fins. Fish have fins. I T, it. I S is a fan. F A N, fan. It is a fan. It is a fan. It is a fan. Children, watch this video and practice the sound of F. Thank you.